Hey, survival enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel where we gear up for the unpredictable. Today we're showcasing 15 essential doomsday survival gadgets and tools designed to keep you safe when chaos strikes. From rugged multi-tools to high-powered light sources, these picks are engineered for durability and versatility in any crisis. Whether you're prepping for natural disasters or worst-case scenarios, stick around to explore gear that could be your lifeline. Let's dive into the ultimate survival toolkit. In low-visibility crises, the Nebo Bat Light 1500 shines as both a powerful flashlight and a defensive tool. Emitting a brilliant 1500 lumen beam, it illuminates dark environments with ease, while its defensive strobe mode can disorient potential threats, giving you precious seconds to react. Constructed from lightweight yet durable aluminum, it features a textured grip for secure handling and a rubber bumper to absorb impacts, ensuring reliability in rugged conditions. With an IPX6 water resistance rating, it performs flawlessly in rain or adverse weather, critical for survival scenarios. Measuring just 16 inches, it's portable enough for a bug-out bag, yet robust for heavy-duty use. Whether you're navigating through pitch-black forests, signaling for help, or needing a non-lethal defense option, the Bat Light 1500 combines brightness and toughness. Its versatility makes it an indispensable addition to any prepper's gear, ready to tackle the darkest moments of a doomsday event with confidence. In a world where nuclear threats loom, the Mira Geiger 2 radiation detector is a lifesaver. This lightweight device, under 100 grams, combines a radiation detector and dosimeter in a water-resistant, solar-powered package, ensuring functionality even in harsh conditions. Using a gas-filled tube, it measures ionizing radiation from 0 to 999 microsieverts per hour, delivering real-time data to assess safety. It also tracks accumulated radiation exposure over 30 days, providing critical information for medical professionals post-exposure. The user-friendly interface, with customizable menus, makes operation intuitive, even under stress. Whether you're monitoring ambient radiation during travel, daily activities, or a nuclear emergency, the Geiger 2 empowers informed decisions about evacuation or sheltering. Its compact design fits easily into a pocket or survival kit, offering peace of mind in scenarios where invisible dangers are a risk. For preppers prioritizing comprehensive preparedness, this device is an essential tool to stay one step ahead of radiological threats. When life-threatening bleeding strikes, the TacMed SOF Tourniquet is a game-changer. Designed for rapid one-handed application, it features a slack indicator to confirm proper tightening, eliminating guesswork in high-stress situations. Its durable webbing and sturdy buckle ensure reliable performance, even under extreme pressure. For arm injuries, place it 3 inches above the wound, tighten until bleeding stops, and secure it. For leg injuries, loop it under the natural bend, reconnect the buckle, and adjust as needed. Beyond trauma, it can slow venom spread in snakebite scenarios, adding versatility. Compact and lightweight, it slips easily into any survival kit, ready for immediate deployment. Its straightforward design ensures anyone can use it effectively, making it a critical tool for preppers, first responders, or outdoor enthusiasts. In a doomsday scenario where medical help is distant, the SOF Tourniquet's ability to control severe bleeding could mean the difference between life and death. Facing chemical or biological threats, the MIR Safety MOP1 CBRN suit offers unparalleled protection. Weighing only 2.5 kilos, this lightweight suit provides full-body coverage without the bulk of traditional hazmat gear. Its semi-permeable design, infused with advanced carbon spheres, absorbs harmful contaminants while remaining breathable for extended wear, up to 30 days. The military-grade front zipper and adjustable waist ensure a secure fit across body types, while double-layer enclosures at wrists and ankles block vapor and gas intrusion. Compatible with most gas masks, its integrated hood enhances safety. Decontaminable up to 10 times without losing effectiveness, it's built for repeated use in hazardous environments. Whether you're navigating a contaminated urban area or preparing for a bioterror event. The MOP1's combination of portability, durability, and advanced protection makes it a cornerstone of any prepper's doomsday arsenal, ensuring you're shielded from invisible dangers. Stay connected and powered with the Tenergy Multifunctional Hand Crank Radio, a survivalist's all-in-one lifeline. This compact device combines AM, FM, and weatherband radio with a 2000 mAh USB power bank, dual 120 lumen LED flashlights, and an SOS siren for emergencies. With up to 14 hours of runtime, it keeps you informed during crises. Multiple charging options, hand crank, solar, USB, or AAA batteries with a 10-year shelf life. Ensure reliability in any scenario. Certified for extreme temperatures, it's built to withstand harsh conditions. The power bank can recharge your phone, keeping communication lines open. Whether you're monitoring weather alerts, signaling for help, or illuminating a campsite, this radio's versatility and durability make it a cornerstone of any doomsday kit. For preppers, it's an indispensable tool to stay informed, powered, and safe when the grid goes down. When the world turns upside down, the Savvada Kahaka 15-liter backpack is your go-to for carrying survival essentials. This compact yet robust day pack boasts a 15-liter capacity, expandable by 5 liters via pleated side pouches, ideal for stowing gear like food, tools, or medical supplies. Its fold-top closure with SR buckles ensures quick, secure access, while a dedicated hydration compartment keeps you hydrated on the move. Crafted from durable 1000D and 500D Cordura, it's built to endure harsh environments. The removable closed-cell foam back pad doubles as a sitting or kneeling mat, enhancing versatility. Padded, contoured shoulder straps with D-rings and a removable sternum strap offer a tailored fit for long hauls. Compression straps and attachment points allow you to secure extra gear, and an external zippered pouch keeps small items handy. Whether you're navigating urban chaos or wilderness, the Kahakka's rugged design and thoughtful features make it a prepper's must-have for any doomsday scenario. The Condor Rude Boy Machete, crafted by blade designer Joe Flowers, is a versatile powerhouse for survival. Forged by Imacasa in El Salvador, its 18-inch 2.5mm thick blade is built for clearing dense brush, constructing shelters, or even self-defense. Drawing from Latin American machete traditions, its ergonomic handle ensures a firm, comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. Lightweight yet sturdy, it balances portability with cutting power, making it ideal for rugged terrains. Whether you're chopping firewood, carving steaks, or navigating overgrown trails, the Rude Boy's durability shines. Its robust construction, rooted in decades of machete-making expertise, ensures it can handle the toughest tasks without faltering. For preppers facing a doomsday scenario, this machete's blend of heritage craftsmanship and modern functionality makes it a reliable, multi-purpose tool ready to tackle any challenge in the wild or urban chaos. The GM300 series radiation detector by Cestsen is a must-have for preppers who want to monitor environmental dangers. This small, lightweight device has a clear TFT LCD screen and alerts you with sound, light, and vibration, so you never miss a radiation threat. It uses GM tube detectors to give accurate readings for beta, gamma, and X-ray radiation, making it useful in many situations. The GM300 has a 2200 mAh battery and uses Type-C charging for convenience. It works in fast and smooth modes, making it reliable for on-the-go use. It also includes a 1-hour curve map to track radiation exposure in real time, with options for automatic tracking or manual reset. For preppers who want more tools, Wanyi Technology offers other detectors and sensors. These include nuclear radiation detectors and industrial-grade water quality sensors. These devices provide accurate data, helping you stay informed and prepared for long-term survival in changing environments. When you need a small but reliable survival tool, The Bugeye Mini compass is a great choice. Even though it's about the size of a coin, it works perfectly to keep you on track. This 360-degree floating compass quickly shows you the main directions and helps you find your way, which is especially useful in unfamiliar places. What makes it even better? The compass has glowing dials that light up in the dark, so you can use it at night without trouble. It's built to last, with options for grade 5 titanium or black aluminum, and it has an IPX8 waterproof rating. This means it can handle heavy rain, drops, and tough conditions. The best part? It's so small and light that you can attach it to your keychain or bug-out bag without it getting in the way, until you need it to guide you. Looking for a ready-to-use bug-out bag for emergencies? The GETXGO is perfect for you. These bags are fireproof and waterproof, designed for everyday people, not just military-style gear. They come in 2 options, a 72-hour bag and a 5-day combo, with choices like fireproof water-resistant or fully waterproof airtight bags. The fire-resistant bags are made with triple-layer fiberglass and have a B1 hardly flammable certification, meaning they can handle high heat. The clamshell design and 20-liter backpack are very practical, with a pouch for important documents and a fold-out kit that includes 40 essential items like solar-powered chargers, tools, and first aid supplies. To make things even easier, there's a mobile app to help you stay organized with checklists and planning tools. Whether you're camping, prepping, or just want to feel prepared, GETXGO has everything you need. If you need a lightweight survival shelter for emergencies, the Primal emergency tent is a great choice. It weighs only 14.3 ounces and folds down to the size of a soda can, making it super easy to carry. Despite its small size, it's big enough for 2 people to sit inside comfortably. The tent has special doors that offer better protection from wind and rain compared to basic tarps, keeping you safe in tough weather. It's made from strong, tear-resistant PET mylar material, which also reflects up to 90% of your body heat to keep you warm. The tent comes with everything you need: stakes, paracord, and a carry bag. It's perfect for staying light and prepared in any survival situation. The FMALS pack from Mystery Ranch is made for fireline medics, but it's also a great bug-out bag for preppers. This medical bag is packed with features to help in emergencies. It has quick access shears and tourniquet loops, so you can grab critical tools fast when time matters most. The bag includes 2 outer pockets and a main compartment with a lockable zipper, giving you plenty of organized space for your gear. It also has mole attachment points, so you can add extra items like a fire shelter case. The removable side pockets are perfect for carrying water bottles or other essentials. Inside, the bag has a rip-zip lid for quick access to a stop-the-bleed kit and extra tourniquet loops. It also includes 2 small REM pockets, an intubation roll, 2 large removable pockets, 2 eye bags, and an O2 ladder that fits different oxygen bottle sizes. With 72 liters of space, this pack can hold both medical supplies and personal gear, making it a top choice for medics or anyone preparing for emergencies. The 4 Patriots. 4-week emergency food supply. Survival Kit is a great solution for food during emergencies. When disasters like the recent California fires happen, food can become hard to find. This kit helps you do more than just survive. It gives you 192 servings, providing about 1,302 calories per day for a month. The kit includes 11 different recipes, so you won't get bored with your meals while staying safe or camping. The best part? It has a 25-year shelf life if stored in a cool, dry place away from heat and moisture, making it perfect for long-term storage. Preparing the food is simple. Just add boiling water and simmer for about 15 minutes. The meals come in triple-layer mylar packaging with oxygen absorbers, which keeps them safe from air, light, and moisture. Plus, the kit is lightweight and easy to store or carry, making it a smart choice for any survival situation. The Procamptek fire strip roll is a must-have for anyone focused on preparedness. This fire starter is 50 feet long, but packed into a small 3-inch puck, making it easy to store in your backpack or survival kit. It's made from thick, fibrous timber pulp coated in water-resistant wax, so it works even in wet conditions. Using it is simple. Just cut off a piece, fray the edges, and light it with a ferro rod, lighter, or flint-based igniter. Whether you're in a tough outdoor situation or staying at a bug-out location, the fire strip roll gives you a reliable way to start a fire, even if your tinder is wet or hard to find. This compact and practical tool is perfect for anyone who wants to be ready for emergencies, helping you stay warm and cook food when things get tough. It's a smart addition to any survival kit. Clean water is essential in any survival situation, and having access to it can greatly improve your chances of staying safe. That's where the GRAYL UltraPress comes in. This compact and easy-to-use water purifier ensures you have safe, clean water no matter where you are. It removes harmful waterborne pathogens and is made from strong, lightweight CP4 Grade 1 titanium. The laser-engraved design adds a stylish touch, but it's not just about looks. It's built to perform. The UltraPress uses the award-winning one-press filtration system, which is simple to use. Just fill, press, and drink. It has a one-way silicone valve to prevent spills, a paracord D-ring loop for easy carrying, and fits in most cup holders. You can even use it to heat food and water, which is great for cold nights. The filter includes ultra-powdered activated carbon, which removes heavy metals and chemicals. Plus, it's drink mix ready, so you can add electrolytes or flavor without clogging the filter. The GRAYL UltraPress is a must-have for staying hydrated and safe in any situation. And that's a wrap on today's look at essential doomsday survival gear and gadgets. Whether it's staying hydrated with the GRAYL UltraPress, powering up with the Big Blue solar charger, or starting a fire with the Procamptek fire strip roll, being prepared can make all the difference when disaster strikes. Remember, the key to survival is planning ahead and having the right tools at your fingertips. Don't wait for an emergency to get ready. Start building your kit today. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there. That's our roundup of 15 top-tier survival tools to conquer any doomsday scenario. From rugged backpacks to life-saving water purifiers, these gadgets are your key to staying prepared. Love this gear guide? Smash that subscribe button and join our survival crew for more reviews, tips, and prepper insights. Drop a comment with your favorite tool, and let's keep gearing up for the unexpected. Stay safe, stay ready, and we'll catch you in the next video.